Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson, MarineMax Clearwater here with a brand new 2019 Montauk 190. This is a new hull that was a complete redesign. It still maintains all the dry ride capabilities that you've come to know with the Montauk, but they've just made it ride a little bit better and break through the waves a little better. And with the 150 4-stroke by Mercury on it, this thing would get up and go 47 miles per hour. And if you pull the throttle back a little bit for a cruise, you'll get 5.5 miles per gallon. That's like the Prius of the boating world. Let's hop up on the side and see what this thing looks like. So up on board, you can see we've got lots of seating room up on the bow here with the added pads that can be removed for fishing. This one also comes with the trolling motor pre-rigging. Fishing package gives you rod holders here at the front, as well as a cooler. Coming around to the helm, we've got fusion radio, room for your chart plotter of your choice, all stainless steel controls. And again, since we got the fishing package, we've got a full live well under the helm seat with aerator. This flips down to be a reversible helm seat, and then more comfortable seating in the back. Fantastic all-around boat, one of the boats that Whaler's been producing the longest. If you're looking for a boat that will get you out to the sandbars, get you out fishing, do a little bit of everything, that you can tow around with your SUV, this is your boat. Give me a call if you have any more questions. 303-875-3988.